Birds don't come easy to me. How can I find a way to fly away like a bird? Birds don't come easy. Birds don't come easy to me. This is the only way for me to say I love birds, but birds don't come easy. Well, I'm just a music man, melody so far my best friend. But my words are coming along, then I reveal my heart to you and hope that you believe it's true. 'Cause birds don't come easy to me. How can I find a way to fly away like a bird? Bird don't come easy. This is just a simple bird that I am for you for so long. I am just a bird now, and you know when I say I love you, honeys, please believe I really do. 'Cause this is Peanut Jones speaking as a bird, flying as a bird, and you are the one who this heard. Birds just come easy to you, 'cause I will find a way to fly away to you. Oh, birds just come easy, 'cause I am just a bird for you. I sing my song for you. It goes from tra-la-la, ho, ho, ho. Birds just come easy for you, 'cause I am a bird for you. Yes, for you all. Oh yeah, babes, just for you all. Just come easy to you. This is the only way for me to say I love you. Your bird just comes easy, and that bird is just me. This is Peanut Jones, your bird, from TikTok. Keep on up, bird. Come on, baby bird. Keep on up, bird. Birds just come easy to you. Tra-la-la, lee-la-loo. This was Peanut Jones for you. DJ Peanut Jones for you.